Hi everyone. Today we're diving into the world of integrated development environment or IDE and comparing two of the most popular ones, IntelliJ IDEA and Visual Studio Code, also called VS. Choosing the right IDE is crucial for coding efficiency and productivity. So I'll help you today understand which one might be the best fit for your needs. So, for a quick overview, in this video, we'll compare these IDEs across several key areas, including features, performance, and customization options. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about IntelliJ. This IDE is known for its robust features, especially for Java development. It's packed with tools that make coding faster and more efficient. One of its standout features is its advanced code completion, which helps you to write code faster by predicting what you're going to type. It also has powerful refactoring tools and debugging capabilities, making it a favorite among developers. IntelliJ IDEA also has an extensive plugin ecosystem, allowing you to extend its functionality for various languages and frameworks. Plus, it has a strong community support and plenty of resources for learning, which is great for both beginners and experienced developers. Next, let's look at VS Code. This IDE is known for being lightweight and fast, making it a great choice for a wide range of programming languages and projects. One of it, one of the biggest strengths of VS Code is its customization options. You can tweak everything from themes and extensions to keyboard shortcuts, making it highly adaptable to your workflow. VS Code also integrates seamlessly with Git and other popular tools, making version control and collaboration a breeze. Its flexibility and ease of use have made it a go-to IDE for many developers. Now, let's compare IntelliJ IDEA and VS Code side by side. We look at factors like language support, code completion, debugging features, and integration with other tools. For example, IntelliJ IDEA excels in Java development with its deep understanding of the language, while VS Code shines in its versatility and lightweight design, making it ideal for multi-language tasks. To wrap up, let's summarize the strengths and weaknesses for both IntelliJ IDEA and VS Code. IntelliJ IDEA is a powerhouse. You can say it's a powerhouse for Java and offers advanced features, while VS Code is lightweight, customizable, and versatile. While choosing the right IDE, consider your coding preferences and project requirements. If you're working with if you're working heavily with Java, IntelliJ IDEA might be the better choice. If you need a fast, flexible IDE for multiple languages, VS Code could be. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to experiment with both IDCs and see which one fits your workflow best. Thanks for watching and happy coding.